Hello friends, I hope you are in the best of your health. Welcome to the RC show. Today, we are going to learn about 5 amazing words that will add a beautiful flavor and a sweet essence to your daily communication. Click on the subscribe button below to get all the latest videos on cool fun facts, latest tricks and amazing vocabulary on this channel. If you're enjoying my videos, click the like button below and share it with your friends. So let's start. This is the second episode of the RCVC series. Today, we will learn about 5 new words that you can include in your daily communication and improve your skills. I will give a bonus tip at the end of this video. So please don't leave it in between and watch it completely. So let's go. Word 1. Plagiarize. That means to call someone else's work as one's own work. How can we use it? John plagiarized his friend's homework and his teacher punished him. That means John showed his friend's homework as his own and he was caught by his teacher, and that's why he was punished for the offense. Word 2. Placid. Very calm and peaceful. I can't find a more beautiful sentence than this I'm going to tell you right now for this word. Mothers mostly have a placid nature, isn't it? That means mothers are mostly very calm and peaceful in nature. Word 3. Expeditious. Something that is done with high speed and efficiency. How can we use it? It was an expeditious investigation of the robbery case. I'm remembering one more sentence for this word. Often, our moms keep asking us to expedite our work, right? That means our moms always keep telling us to do our work with speed and efficiency. Word 4. Ostentatious. Something that is very show off and very gaudy in nature. How can we use it? The color of their house is very ostentatious and doesn't fit the neighborhood. That means the color of their house is really flamboyant and very gaudy. Word 5. Bifurcate. To divide something into 2 parts. How can we use it? The tree on the road was bifurcated by the heavy winds. That means the tree was divided into 2 parts by the heavy winds. So these are the 5 words of the day today, friends. Let's summarize them. Word 1. Plagiarize. To call someone else's work as one's own. Word 2. Placid. Very calm and peaceful. Word 3. Expeditious. Something done with high speed and efficiency. Word 4. Ostentatious. Something that is very show off or gaudy. Word 5. Bifurcate. To divide something into 2 parts. Learn these words by heart, friends, and include it in your daily communication. It will really become beautiful and improve your skills. Now the time for the bonus tip, right? Okay. If you find any difficulty in pronouncing these words, go to the Google, friends, and type the word in the search box. You can see a speaker button next to the word. Click on it and learn the correct pronunciation of the word. And that's it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you loved this video, please click the like button below and share it with your friends. If you want me to create a video on any topic, please do let me know in the comment section below. Do subscribe to this channel to learn more amazing vocabulary on this channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay positive.